Hi all. In this series of videos, we are talking about the elements which is coming under the Java collection framework. In this video, let's discuss about the list item which comes under the collection category. List is an interface in Java which is coming with the Java util package. Here you have to use the ArrayList class in order to implement the list. Here also you can add, remove, access them elements one by one, same like the other elements in the Java collection framework. Here you can see a insertion order when maintaining the list. So without taking much time, let's jump into the IDE and let's see how we can implement a list. Let me open up my Eclipse here. So let's discuss how we can create an object in ArrayList. Since list is an interface and you have to create an object by implementing that ArrayList here. So this is the way that you have to implement that thing. So here in this example, I'm going to maintain a series of values with the name of fruits. So in that case, the name of the fruit should contain the data type of string, and the variable name should be fruits. I have to create a new variable, new object of ArrayList. This is how you have to create an object here. In this case, you have to import the Java util package here. Same like you have to import the ArrayList as well. Here you have to specify the data type of the elements which contains in this ArrayList. In my case, this should be a string value. Now let's see how we can add elements into this list. Fruits. Here you have to use the add function in order to add the values to this list. First value should be apple. Same like you can add whatever the number of values to this list. Likewise, I have added 3 values into this list. Now let's see how we can access these elements. Here you can print these values one by one. System.out.println. The first fruit, I just want to get the name of the first fruit. Here you can do like this. fruit. Then you can use this get function. Here you have to specify the index in the sense, if it is first value you have to specify 0, if it is second value you have to mention the 1, 2, likewise. Here I'm going to print the first name of this fruit. Let's see. Let me execute this thing and see. Here I'm going to create an object of this class. Next. See, now my code is executed successfully. Now first fruit is apple. Yeah. Now let's just see how we can loop through this list. Here I'm going to use a for loop here, and the data type of the value should be string, and the name of the fruit. Fruits. This is how. So this will take the series of these values, and that is going to be iterated through this for loop one by one. So here you can print them one by one like this. Let me execute this and see. See, it will execute the code, and that will give the values of the list one by one according to the order: apple, banana, mango. Now let's see how we can remove an element from this list. In that case, you have to get the variable name fruit, remove, and either you can use the index or you can specify the value of this particular element. I just want to remove the apple here. And let's see, try to execute the same piece of code here to check whether that particular value is exactly removed or not. See, before removing that, all the three values are there. After removing, the apple is not there. That is how we can remove a value from the list. Apart from that, we can check whether a particular value is available in this list or not. Here you can check like this: if fruits contain mango, then you can print like this. If that mango value is available, that will print this statement, because contains will return a boolean value here. Let's just see by executing these things. So I had spelling mistake here. So yeah, mango is available. Now let's see how we can get the size of this list. If I execute this piece of code, now you can see the total size is 2. Why? Because at the mid of this execution, we have removed one value. Now the total size is given correctly. So if we recap whatever the things that we have discussed so far, in the sense we discussed how we can create an object of this list. In order to create an object, you have to use this class name. Since list is an interface, you have to implement that in the ArrayList class. So you can use the add functions to add the individual values to this list, and likewise you can access the individual elements using get function, and you can loop in through these values one by one, and that will print according to the order. And you can remove values from the remove keyword, and likewise you can check the availability using contains function, and you can get the size of this one using the size function. So yeah, that's all that we are going to discuss underneath with this list tutorial. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.